Okay, I had an issue getting this installed, and others are as well. So I figured let's do a little video to go through the install process. It's not great, but it is what we have. So obviously, go to there. I'm going to go to Proxmox. I'm going to go to the shell, and I am going to install it like so. Let it install. Let's do it. Do the default install. I'm going to do it 2 installs because you can see I've already got it running. Doopy 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 doo. It's doing its thing. Let me go to the repo as well because we need some links from the repo, which I can't recall. So on the repo, we have, not sure how to pronounce his name, Laloti, but he gives us some tips to how to get this working. Okay. Dum 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 dum. Dumpty 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 dum. Okay, so it's installed. So what we need to do is go to this IP address, or browse to this site rather, if I copy it properly and don't be an idiot. So if I now go to this, what will happen is nothing. So what you need to do is go to install, I believe it is, and you get this. We give it a name. I'm going to put demo in. Oh, demos and demos, and click install. Then this happens, and you're like, oh, okay. So now what you need to do, oddly, is go back to wherever it's gone. Don't do it in here. I did it. I did this command that we're given to remove the file. Don't do it in there because that's obviously the wrong place to do it. I was being an idiot. So what you need to do then is go to your version of it, if you will, and get into the console of it. Then run this command, like so. Reboot it. Let it reboot. Wait for it to come back. When it comes back, we then need to go to, now it's back. We're back at this. And if you go to this URL, you should get the dashboard and you can log in with the password and the username that you set earlier on. I hope this is helpful. Keep geeking. Thanks.